So guys, we got some stuff going on today with Project 4-Day. Oh my God, not only are we gonna attempt, and don't quote me, we're gonna try and go ahead and set the motor in today. But I've also got parts everywhere for Project 4-Day. So today's gonna be a big day. We gotta get the car in and let's get busy. So let's go. We might actually have an engine in it, dude. What do you think? Engine? Yeah?
Yeah.
Dover, what do you think?
Let's do it.
Engine in the car today?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe? Yeah? We still got a few things to do on it, boys. We gotta get the rockers and some other stuff on the engine, but yeah. Could be good.
Did you get motor mount?
Not yet. Oh, okay, we're not setting the motor in. Never mind. I've got parts everywhere and I don't have the motor. Well, maybe we can scare some up in town. Who knows? All right, guys. So here's the deal. If we're gonna have an alphabet cam and bigger throttle body, we gotta have the classic, the signature, old school sound. So anybody would guess what the old school?
Are you showing them the thing, or are you showing them the floor?
Oh no, I'm showing them the actual exhaust. I double checked. Yeah. Let me make sure, guys. Let me make sure. Yes, guys, you can see I've got my phone here, so I don't give you a crappy angle again with my point of view camera. But anyway, so y'all tell me, if we're going classic old school, what sound you gotta have? The Flowmaster 2-chamber American Thunder cap. I mean, you have to. This is what it was. And oh yeah, guys, you already know. 2.5-inch American Thunder catback for Project 4-Day. Yes, it's gonna have proper tailpipes. And yes, guys, right here, just so you know, American Thunder catback. This is straight out of the 90s. This is the signature Fox body sound. I don't give a damn what you say. Argue with me, I don't care. But next on the list, because we got a Flow. Guys, really, we were gonna try to put stock exhaust back on this thing, and then we decided to go crazy and mod it. Boom. Also from Flowmaster. Yeah. Look, we're just picking up power left and right. Should we need a supercharger next? No. Guys, I've already had people say, hey, I've got these heads, I've got this 331 stroke. I'm like, no, we're done. There you go, boys. Nice set of stainless shorties, unequal length, because we like our knuckles and we don't want to cuss that much in the videos. These are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Last but not least, guys, and I don't need to pull them out of the box, but 2.5-inch off-road H-pipe in the box right there. The sound is gonna be awesome. Yeah, no X. We're going H-pipe, baby. Freaking awesome. All brand new. 4-8 is gonna sound amazing with that cam chopping through the Flowmaster 2 chambers. It's gonna be like 91, 92 all over again. All right, guys, first on the docket, we gotta get the roller rockers on. They're a little bit easier to do out of the motor. And here's the roller rockers. I even cleaned it up. I mean, we're doing race car stuff, dude. You know, this is a race car. I actually cleaned those with a toothbrush. They were I get the Gold Star Award, you know, for cleaning up nasty parts. Oh, let's see. But yeah, we got all kinds of parts sitting here. Yeah, I believe they're Proforms, if I'm not mistaken. 1.7. So this thing's gonna chop. Looking good. All right, boys, so pedestal mount rockers, a little more complicated than stud mount, but if you do a quick Google search, right there, crane cams has it step by step. It's got all your torque and everything like that. Just follow those instructions and you'll be good to go. Dude, it's starting to look like a race car motor.
Yeah.
I mean, that's...
When do we get them headers on it?
Oh, yeah. Which actually, I can start putting the headers on, can't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to go throw the headers on and.
I said, you can take me back to my semi, I sleep just fine. He came to pick me up and we hung out with him. He took me back to my crib. You want to run this thing?
Look at there. It's not rocket science, just throwing on some headers and got the pedestal mount rockers on. My God, she's starting to look like something, y'all. And she's gonna sound good too. Make some little chop and get a little extra lift out of those 1.7s. Things are really starting to come together. Alright boys, next on the list, we don't have to get all this in today. Oh, there's the balancer bolt, which we can probably go ahead and put the balancer on here shortly. Oh, let's see what else we got in here. Go ahead and put the water pump on. There's the water pump, distributor. Water neck. Yes, sir. And the water neck. We'll put that on the lower as well. We've got our gaskets. Yeah, guys, thanks to my crappy camera angle, you didn't really get to see the brand new distributor, but it's good to go. Looking good. Guys, I'm excited though. This engine's really coming together. Looking great. Alright boys, current situation, we're going to go ahead and get the lower intake prep. We stopped and scooped up some motor mounts, but I forgot to get some. Got some from O'Reilly's. They work. Brand new. They'll do the job. But yeah, I'm going to get the water pump on, get the lower on. I've got the heater tube right here. Go ahead and get that screwed on. Oh, you got M&Ms? Dang it, dude. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to get that COVID 15 pounds off, you know, so I'm having to stay away from that. Yes, sir. Look at there.
Yeah.
Brand new heater tube for the wind. It's gonna look good. And then we can put the water pump on with all the new hardware. Be good to go. Clearly, we're about to put the water pump and everything on. Buy this kit. If you ever do this job, just buy this kit. And you don't have any rusty, nasty, old corroded, half rusted through bolts. It's even got a diagram showing you where to put them. Everything's gonna look great. But link is always in the description, guys, for LMR. And that's where all this comes from. Making it beautiful. Make it beautiful. I'm gonna get these stickers off. We're not having AC Delta stickers on. Project 4.8 water pump. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. All right.
sir. I love it. Looks great.
Start. I thought that one was started.
Yeah, it didn't want to start. It's been bad.
There she goes. All right. I had it. There's my keyway right there. There she goes.
Nah, you wouldn't have a chance to buy it.
Right?
I hate to be like that. I'm just gonna tell you
You
that
let
the
me-
truth.
you let me drive it, though.
I would not tell you that. The car. I wouldn't.
Sorry, guys. We're talking about if Bronte was actually to win the car, which he's not entered at the moment, but he is eligible to enter. And I was just asking if
all
he'd
the
let.
stuff that's going into it, I'm considering.
I was just asking if you just let me drive it, you know, once in a while.
You drive.
All right, guys, here we go. We got the Motorcraft 180-degree thermostat, and then we got brand new water neck with bleeder, which is very nice. I got the heater tube on. Need water neck bolts.
Yeah, one of them's longer than the other.
Yeah, water neck bolts. By the way, guys, we got the balancer on. As you can see, water pump is on, and we're prepping intake. Now I gotta find water neck bolts. All right, boys, we just hit the surfaces with some brake clean. We're gonna go ahead and sit this lower down on it. You caught the first video. We got all the gasket surfaces nice and clean, but I went ahead and hit them with some brake clean in a rag just in case. It's looking good, looking really good. Brand new water neck on, 180-degree thermostat. She's gonna run cool as a cucumber. God, look at that. That's how you do it right there. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little nostalgic about this thing. Looks great. That's the Mac Daddy torque wrench right
That's
there.
what I was thinking. I was like, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's badass. It does inch pounds, degrees, foot pounds.
So you
Newton
can do torque
meters.
yield, you can do
Yeah,
all that
That's
shit.
pretty cool.
Yeah, like especially it's really handy like when we do the oil pump gears,
Yeah.
because you got such different size bolts, and some of them are foot pounds, some of them inch pounds. You just do it all with the one wrench.
All right, gentlemen. Got the brand new Dizzy. Look at her. That thing looks freaking great. Freaking great.
You can plug it up right there on the door.
All right, here is the current situation, guys. Intake is torqued down. Got the pretty stainless bolts. Jeez. Dipstick is in. Old pressure center wiener is in. I guess we call it a wiener. Let's suck that out where it was. I love it. Yeah, had a little sand in there. Yeah, guys, this lower was sandblasted. We had a little sand in there, but other than that, we're ready to stab the dizzy. Yeah, guys, this is coming along very great. And guys, if you did not see the video, I've also got matching ARP valve cover bolts as well, which are going to look absolutely amazing. Stainless. It's going to be awesome. Late model restoration, boys. They got you covered right there.
We just had them
sandblasted. Just sandblasted. Oh, which that's that lower, yeah.
Okay, I got you.
All right. We're going to drop this beast in. Try not to get it dirty. Guys, the valve covers obviously are just off of another engine, so we didn't want to scratch them or anything. The brand new motor mounts, new brass freeze plugs. All right.
I got it.
stretching.
Oh.
All right, ease it down.
Yeah, we're good.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm interested to see how low it is too.
Slowly. Don't get carried away with that thing.
Whoa. Come on with it. I think we need to go back just.
I think you need to kick the hoist over here. Yeah.
How's that?
Not enough. Maybe it's enough. Come on down. You got a mile to go.
Yeah.
Like 2 foot.
Come on. Yeah, come on with it.
Keep going.
Yeah, there it goes. Come on with it. Yeah, keep it coming. You good. You good.
Looking great.
Come on. And boom.
Up a little bit.
There it is. That's it.
I'm not in. You ain't in either.
I'm in.
Can't be
You
in.
can't be
I'm in.
You in?
I'm in.
You ain't in the right spot.
You come up.
Push the door to me, Caleb. All right, ease it down. Your side look good, Caleb?
No, it's back out. There it is.
All right, ease it down.
All right, boys, we're gonna put her to sleep. She's in.
All that shoving and pushing.
She's in. I'll push her back out for now, and then once the parts come in, we can get the transmission in. We'll have something. I love it. Guys, last and final update. Had to go over a couple more parts. We got a brand new mini starter. I know it's dusty. It's been sitting forever. Brand new mini starter going on. Brand new T5 going in, which I don't have yet. With Steeda track shifter, center force DFX clutch for the wind, and then got to send the flywheel out, get it machined. And guys, I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. All right, boys, so there you go. Project 4-8 coming together in a big way. Lots and lots and lots of updates coming. Guys, I'm telling you, it's not gonna be long. It is not gonna be long. Link is always in the description if you want to sign up to be a part of the premium subscription. Helps me do what I do, and you get free cars and, you know, I mean, $1,000 a month in giveaways and parts and gift cards. I mean, pretty freaking awesome deal, I must say. And someone is going to get an awesome car. So that is what is up. Lots more updates coming, all kinds of updates on all the other cars. So please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next upload. Later.